Psst, lean in close, because I'm about to reveal one of nature's best-kept secrets. Deep in our oceans lives a boneless, eight-armed mastermind that could outsmart most college students. Meet Professor Octavius, the Einstein of the invertebrate world. While you and I struggle to pat our heads and rub our tummies at the same time, this clever cephalopod can simultaneously solve puzzles, camouflage perfectly, and plan elaborate aquarium escapes. Today, we're going on a deep dive into what makes octopuses the undisputed geniuses of the sea. Now, let's play a quick imagination game. Picture this. You're in the kitchen trying to make a sandwich. Your hands are spreading mayo, your feet are tapping to music, your nose is scratching an itch, and your eyes are reading a recipe. All while your brain coordinates everything. Exhausting, right? Well, Professor Octavius laughs at our pathetic multitasking. Each of his 8 arms contains nearly 300 million neurons. That's more brain cells than some mammals have in their entire bodies. These arms can taste, touch, and make decisions completely independently. While one arm is opening a jar, another might be tasting a crab, and a third could be collecting shiny rocks for decoration. No central command needed. But here's where it gets really wild. Octopus arms are so smart, they actually argue with each other. Scientists have observed that when an octopus is hungry, its arms will sometimes fight over food. Picture this. Arm number 2 grabs a tasty crab, but arm number 5 thinks it deserves the snack more. What follows is an underwater tug-of-war that would put sibling rivalries to shame. And get this? If an arm gets injured, it might temporarily go rogue and stop listening to the central brain entirely. Now, let's talk about their DNA. Because octopuses have genetic superpowers that would make Marvel jealous. They possess something called jumping genes. Little segments of DNA that can literally cut and paste themselves to new locations in their genome. In humans, these jumping genes are mostly active when we're embryos, helping our brains develop. But in octopuses, these genetic acrobats keep jumping throughout their entire lives, constantly rewiring their nervous systems for maximum learning potential. It's like having a computer that upgrades its own hardware daily. Speaking of learning, octopuses have memories that would put your smartphone to shame. In laboratory tests, they've shown they can recognize individual human faces after just a few meetings, even when those people are wearing identical uniforms. Some aquarium keepers report that octopuses will play gentle tricks on keepers they like, but may squirt water at ones they don't. They've even been observed watching other octopuses solve problems and then copying the solutions. That's real observational learning. Now for my favorite party trick, the art of disguise. The mimic octopus doesn't just change color to blend in, it performs full-body impersonations. It can flatten itself to look like a flounder, arrange its arms to resemble a lionfish, or even mimic the shape and movement of a sea snake. This isn't just camouflage. It's strategic deception worthy of a secret agent. And get this, each arm can change color independently, meaning an octopus can display multiple patterns at once, like some living, breathing television screen. But here's the most mind-blowing part. Octopuses dream. That's right. Scientists have observed them changing colors and moving their arms in their sleep in patterns that match their waking hunting behaviors. Some researchers believe they might actually be replaying and learning from their daily experiences as they rest. Imagine being able to practice solving math problems in your sleep. So while we humans brag about our big brains, remember this. Somewhere right now, there's an octopus that's probably figuring out how to break into a lobster trap, decorating its den with shiny objects it's collected, and planning its next great escape, all while changing colors to match the sunset. If that doesn't make you rethink what intelligence really means, I don't know what will. Want to dive deeper into the wonderful world of animal intelligence? Smash that subscribe button and let me know in the comments what other animal superbrains you'd like us to explore next. Until then, stay curious. And maybe practice using your non-dominant hand to open jars, just in case you need to impress an octopus someday.